Welcome back guys to another Welcome Centre tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use the Virtual Language Tandem. You start with your Moodle page, scroll down to the search box and type Language Tandem. Next you click on the course and enroll yourself. When you're inside, you need to click on Language Tandem 2.0. Check on Advanced Search. Then you'll be able to click on the languages you want to learn and the languages you're native speaker in. Click on Save Settings, and then you'll get your matches. Next, you have to create a profile so that people can find you. For my case, I'm a native speaker of Arabic and I want to improve my German. Fill out the rest of the form and make sure you have a profile photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching.